Hi again, it's Sifiso from Willembe Farm. I'm a nurse turned goat farmer. I'm often asked about the challenges that I've faced as a farmer. Obviously, we all first face challenges in business, one way or the other, and being a farmer is no different. Today, I'm going to talk about two experiences that I've had that have been very challenging to me as a farmer. The first one is about the chickens. I think some of you who've been following me for a while will know my story about the chicken project, which was my very first farming venture in back then in 20 when was it 2012, when I just left nursing and I had returned home to Zimbabwe to get into farming. So I started with chickens, and of course, I made the mistake of starting too big when I really didn't have the knowledge or the experience. Of course, that venture was a disaster. It failed, but I learned lessons from it. So what I learned from that is that you need to start small and then scale gradually, especially in a space where you are not very familiar with it. The second challenge I'm going to talk about is when we lost nearly half of our kids 1 year, and this was due to a diarrhea, which we had no idea uh, where it had come from. It was completely different from all the diarrheas that we've experienced with kids, and this was coccidiosis, and we had never experienced that before, and we found that very challenging to manage. But lessons learned is that you are never too experienced to know everything. You will always face challenges in business, and definitely coccidiosis was very new to us. We didn't know how to deal with it, but we learned lessons, and now we know. But and we are also prepared that we could have something else. You might think, gosh, I've been in farming for so long and I know everything there is to know. No, there's always room to improve. There's always opportunities to learn. Lessons for everyone.